What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm having an alright day, But I ain't gonna lie, chosen ones. I ain't gonna lie, empaths. Today's the day when I really feel like I'm suffering. I'm suffering, you know? But what I learned on this journey is that chosen ones, empaths, we literally have to fall in love with the suffering. We literally have to fall in love with being rejected, being unwanted, being shunned, being told we can't have, what we desire, what our heart desire, what our soul desires, We have to watch people day in, day out, looking like they're living in the lap of luxury, of living in the lap of the luxuries that life has to offer, Some of us, we've been single for so long, and we see people day in, day out in their relationships, and we wonder, God, where's mine? Where is my special somebody? Where is that someone for me? You could see maybe some of your friends, some of your family members, they have the career that they're looking for, the job that they're looking for, Some of them aren't even working, they just got the money. And you're just like, you're sitting back. And you work hard. In your heart of hearts and your soul of souls that you're a good person and you know what you deserve. But yet, on this devilish plane of existence that we're living in, it seems like if you do right, you only get wrong, If you do right, you only get done wrong. It doesn't make any sense to me, but from my understanding, with time, patience, faith, it all turns around, you know what I'm saying? It all changes, None of your time will be wasted. And, everything that you feel like you lost or everything that you feel like you should have gained by now will come to you. It will attract to you. They say you just have to change your perception, change the way you feel about things, and I know it's hard, chosen ones. It's hard for me right now. It's really hard. Like it's just really hard, man. I'm not coming on here, I'm not trying to garner any sympathy from anybody, because I know this is a lone journey that I have to go on by myself, literally. So I'm just using my voice right now, as a beacon, or as an anchor for somebody out there who's going through the same things, like day in, day out, they wake up. They wake up knowing that there's possibilities that it's just the same cycles and same rotations of things happening, Seems like nothing changes. Seems like everybody's against you. They say if you want a new life, they say your old life. They say if you want a new life, then that new life will cost your old life. And I'm realizing that on this journey, chosen ones. I went on this journey about 2 years ago, and I'm glad of the accomplishments that I made. Don't get me wrong. I am so very happy of the growth that I made inside myself, inside my spirit. But going inside, I realized how alone and confusing being inside of yourself can be, just being isolated and, taking time for yourself and recognizing the value you have inside of you, you'll notice that your friends, family members, they'll start to fall off by the wayside. Your friends, family members, girlfriends, co-workers, you'll see a switch in their behavior. You'll see the switch in their persona, their character. You'll see the inevitable switch. I never thought I would in my life, you know? But I realized that it's all happening for a reason, you know? These people that are in my life that are causing, let me not say that are, these people that are in my life that I feel cause me to react in ways that I don't want to react, that take me out of my character. I realize that these people are not meant to even be around me, not meant to be in my life. They're not meant to see my blessings. They are not meant. Period. They're not meant. They're not meant to be around you. They're not meant to see the blessings that God has for you, chosen one, empaths. They're not. You'll realize that once you know your breakthrough is starting to come close. I had many breakthroughs before, chosen ones. And let me tell you, before any breakthrough comes life's toughest challenges. You know, you feel like the world is literally against you. You know, you feel like time, space, everything is against you. But I'm here to tell you, chosen ones, it's not against you. You see how beautiful this earth is that we live on? Look how beautiful. Everything happens for a reason. And the reason you might not be aware of right now, but as time goes, you'll begin to realize why things happen the way they happen. You know? My point of this video, chosen ones, empaths, is just enjoy your suffering. Hey, smile with that pain. You know, I'm in pain right now. I'm not gonna lie. Not in physical pain, you know, but I'm in a little mental and emotional turmoil that I have to put into perspective every day, knowing that I can't let it take me out of control, out of my character. I have to do what I have to do to maintain my sanity. And if that means being alone, so be it. So be it. You know? Hey, listen, man. Alright, I've been ranting. I just hope somebody could understand and feel this message. And if, you know, you going through the same things, just know that it will get better. You know, it will get better. Like I said, I've been through breakthroughs before, and I know the signs. So I know that a breakthrough is coming for me, but man, it sucks. You really start to feel like life sucks, man, but it doesn't. It's all part of the game, emotional game they want you to be a part of. All right. 10 minutes in, like I said, it's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C. Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. If you like the content, just hit the like button. It's not hard. Help get the message around to other people. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself, C. Nasty. Subscribe to the channel. You know, I got over 470 videos of high-level consciousness conversations that we can have. Hit me in the comment section too. You see, I got nobody to talk to. I don't got a single soul So if you're that person that wants to reach out to your boy, hit me with a "what's up, my boy." Let me know that you out there, man, and you know what I mean. Let me know that you support the real, man. One love.